Catch. He catches the ball. Sleep. He usually sleeps early at night. Read. They are reading new storybooks. Cycling. He uses cycling to go to school. Hey everyone, welcome back to Kashwani Learning Channel. Today we are exploring action verbs, the words that add energy to our sentences. We'll also learn how to use them with examples in sentences. Let's get started. Make learning fun. Run. He can run very fast. Cry. He is crying for ice cream. Catch. He catches the ball. Clean. He is cleaning the room. Cycling. He uses cycling to go to school. Kick. He kicked the ball so hard. Throw. He is throwing the peel. Comb. She combs her hair. He takes bath daily. Sleep. He usually sleeps early at night. Drink. She loves to drink lemon juice. Brush. He brushed his teeth with soft brush. Play. Kids are playing cricket. Planting. He is planting another pine tree. Hug. She hugged her mom tightly. Clap. He is clapping to cheer his friend. Wake. She always wakes up early in the morning. Fight. He is fighting to save her. Push. He is pushing the flowers trolley. Listen. She is trying to listen to the whispering around. Wear. He is wearing his favorite t-shirt. Read. They are reading new storybooks. Write. She is writing an essay on her teacher. Eat. They are eating dinner together. Cut. She is cutting cucumber for salad. Paint. He loves painting nature. Swim. He swims very fast to win the race. Sing. She loves singing her favorite poem. Dance. The ballerina is performing dance steps. Enjoy. He is enjoying his favorite music. Wave. He waves to greet his friend. Handshake. They are shaking hands to greet.
point?
He is pointing towards a new shop. Sit. He is sitting on a soft stool. Collect. They collect garbage to clean. Blow. She is blowing the bubbles. Carry. She carried her biggest gift. Store. He is storing toys in the box. Pick. They pick up the bottles after the party is over. Speak. They are speaking on a phone call for an hour. Beat. Father beating the naughty child. Give. Mama gives him birthday present. Jump. He jumped with excitement when his team won. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's lesson on action verbs. Keep practicing and using them into your writing and speaking. But don't forget to like, subscribe and share Kashwani Learning channel for more excitement videos, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you.